Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is the third part of the video series that I talked about in the first video, and it's basically the end of it's going to wrap up what the journey we had started on how to collect information during the research from using online resources. And today we're on the last part, which is actually going to be very brief for those who are hurrying. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and yes, in case of anything that you've missed out, just go back to my previous videos, or you can also hit me up in the comment section and I will respond to you. Now, today we're going to look at, after the research is done, after looking at the other scholars' works and everything, you have looked at the articles, you have managed to go through them. Now you're compiling your final research. Okay, you're compiling your final research report, or you're making the final data. You're now into the bit of now integrating the knowledge from other sectors, from other disciplines into your work, so that your research is more profound and is much more efficient. This is article, this, okay, I would say this is the point where you're now typing down your findings, your final result, and you have to have facts to back up that, and those facts are the ones you've got from the articles you've downloaded and searched before. And when you're writing your final work, you have to back them up, giving references, giving citing where someone has talked about it in his or her not published article. And that's what you're here for today. Okay, so I just want you to really take close notice and notice everything I'm going to do here. Now, on my screen here, this is what I've been working on. Remember, I was talking about COVID-19, the impacts of COVID-19 on small scale business, and then I started to write something small here, as you can see. But before we go back there, actually, before we come back here, um, when you go to the Mendeley app, okay, and you go to tools, okay, mostly for those using Windows, yeah, you go to tools, there's this thing, okay, there's this, sorry to call it thing, there's this part option where they say install rather, Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. Now, what this one is going to do, or what this one does, is it installs a plugin or add-in into the Microsoft Office Word, okay, that is later linked to your Mendeley desktop account. Okay, and let me just open a blank space. Sorry, no, not auto save. Yeah, so let me just open a blank document. Yeah. So when you click on tools and you click on tools and installment site for Microsoft Word, what it will do, um it will it will add in, okay, it will be like, oh well, in Microsoft Chrome or in the web browser it's called an extension. So let me just use it here. It will add an extension of mainly onto the Microsoft Office Word, okay. And when it does that, it will come here, and as you can see, mine is already installed. But when you click on this, okay, click on this and come to that, it will add for you this, okay. And when you click on this, you'll find it right there, okay. And now when you're done with that, sorry, when you now have mainly added onto your the extension added onto your Microsoft Word, you come and start writing your proposal, your last bit of, how would I call it, your final research. So what you have to do, let me just move this a bit. Now, you're writing the massive impact on the small scale business industry has been ignored, yet it is one of the industries that suffered the most everything losses. For example, let me just complete this during COVID-19 and now it's supposed to be a knife now. Yeah, that space is too much. Okay, now, well, when you have something like this, you have to back it up, okay? You have to give it a reference, okay? Well, someone has talked about it, someone has also seen it. You have to provide evidence of what you're claiming, okay? And that's why after now installing your main site onto the MS Word and the extension rather, you click on it, okay? And now you go to the article on your main library that has what you're talking about. Especially now for me, I have the impact of COVID-19 on small scale business outcomes and expectations. This is in regards to my topic, my research topic. So I come here, I click on that. No, actually, I don't. Yeah, I click on that. Now, when I click on it, remember, you have seen here insert one citation. Okay, what this one is going to do is going to insert citation, which citation basically is It will talk about the author and the publication of article that talked about the same issue. Okay, and remember, we are using, let me just take it back here. We're using the citation style of APAs. Okay, we are using the American, I don't need it exactly in full, but it's the American Psychological Association, if I remember correctly, style of citing. Okay, and that's what actually basically we're doing. That's the whole point of this video. We are citing our documents. I'm teaching how to insert in citation, index citations, and save reference lists. So what you're doing first, we're inserting an index citation. So you see where the cursor is, you come and you click on that, and oh no, that's just not supposed to appear. Yeah, so there we have it. Um, you see what it has done? It has brought this Bartek et al. 2020. Now this is the APA style of index citation, okay? And it has done it there. That's what it has done. All right. Now you have to also include the reference list. Now, for example, you have typed, and after typing, let me say this out there. You have typed. Now it's time for you to add a reference list where someone can go and refer that document, refer to other articles to in order to understand and back up your research. So you come here, see these three little dots, click on it, then you insert the bibliography. Okay. When you do that, it's going to give you this everything. Insert that where career, cursor kind location. Remember, you have to put your cursor where you want the references to come in. So what you do is press continue. And you see that's what it has done. It's inserted for you and a reference. Okay, and this is just one. You can actually include very many reference points, but for me, I had only one. Oh, there's this one. Impacts of impacts of the COVID-19 on the rural America. Sorry. So in case I also want to add that, I just come and do this. Okay, then I insert the bibliography. Yeah, continue. Sorry. This is sorry about that. This is no, I do not want this here. Sorry. Okay. We're doing this, and we're going to add this, that, so I'm going to do this and that. Yeah. So there you have it. Okay. There it is. It's done, and basically just that. Thank you so much for following. That's just all I do. Good luck in your research, and I wish you all the best. In case of anything that you do in the comment section, I'll get back to you. Have a lovely day, and goodbye. See you.